Two of your Hollywood projects are already announced. When do we see you coming back to and doing a Bollywood film? Because you have not had a release for almost 2 years.
You're right, but I have been doing a lot of other things also. If I could clone myself, तब मैं ज़रूर 6 चीज़ें करती, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. अभी तक वो scientists ने approval नहीं दिया है. तो but when it comes down to what I'm doing, I'll tell you. अभी मैंने ये जो 2 फिल्में की हैं, I just had 1 or 2 months in the middle before I have to start season 3 for Quantico. तो ये 2 quick films हैं because I was very excited about the films that the whole project in itself. And these are, please let me tell you right now only, these are not some Priyanka Chopra movie. So don't go in there watching that. These are really interesting parts which I have done in 2 really amazing films. With some wonderful actors, and I feel it feels as an actor for me बहुत exciting बात होती है when you work with wonderful artists जो आपको better बनाते हैं. So that is the reason I did these 2 films. I'm doing these 2 now. Then I'll go into Quantico season 3, and उसके बाद अगले साल I'll be doing a bunch of films. But
Priyanka,
what that is and when I cannot say.
Priyanka,
अगली बार मैं इसका जवाब तभी दूंगी जब मेरे पास कुछ बोलने के लिए होगा.
Priyanka, just continuing this question, there are a lot of speculations on Gustakhia, which will be
like I said,
Sanjay
there's
Leela
lots of
Bansal.
speculations
So
on lots of
films. Yeah, anything you want to clear about?
No, I don't, sir. I just said that. There are lots of speculations on lots of films because I'm having lots of conversations. कौन सांस ले रहा है माइक में इतना? थोड़ा माइक दूर करके सांस ले लो. Yeah, Hindi means Bollywood only, no? But English means that only, no? I just told you, I'm working on every language. Hindi, English, regional. What that ends up being, you can't, I don't know. But we are developing. So by English, you mean that becomes Hollywood then? Yeah, I'm talking about as a producer.
Priyanka.
Of course, I'm developing.
Priyanka.
When that'll be, I don't know.